Hi, my name is Alex Wierczynski. I'm the CEO of HaloKwadrat, and I want to give you a brief overview of the company. So, before you call us or get in touch, you have some ideas about who we are. So first of all, we're a distribution company, but we do not see ourselves as a box shifter only. I.e., our business is based on the knowledge of people here, our involvement in open source projects, our involvement with our suppliers, the quality of the support we give. This is what this company is based on. And I want to show you to you a little bit. First of all, companies we work with, we're a distribution partner of 3CX, we're a TelcoBridges partner, we are a Patton distribution partner, we've been working with Sangoma for a long time, we're their largest European partner. We sell Yealink phones, we sell Grandstream phones, and we sell Polycom phones. All right, let's go further. So quick facts about our company. We were established in 2003 on the wave of the Asterisk revolution. Currently we employ 15 people, 11 of whom are engineers. We have offices in Warsaw and St. Petersburg. And over the last few years, we have sold products and services to over 100 integrators in Central and Eastern Europe and Russia. In fact, this is a slightly old presentation. I did check this number, and it's well over 200 at the moment. Quick facts about us and our suppliers, why we work very closely. So we're Sangoma's first and largest European distributor in the open source voice space, i.e. there were distributors that worked with data products of Sangoma, but we were the first one that worked with their PCI cards for Asterisk. We are Patton's only partner in Europe that is entitled to run Patton certification trainings by our engineers, which kind of shows the level of knowledge that is recognized by Patton in our company. We are TelcoBridges' largest European partner, and we are 3CX testing partner. We do, for example, stress test on 3CX systems. A few words about us. So you have the engineering team above, you have the sales team, but it's important to note that the three guys, apart from myself, they're in the sales team, they're also engineers. And yes, we need to hire some women fast, and we will do that, we promise. Our engineers have contributed to open source telephony for a decade. My partners, two partners, Michael Bilicki, aka Telephomy, and Paweł Pieszczonek, aka Urtho, have contributed to Asterisk, SIPEX, FreeSWITCH, Camelio for a very long time. So we are part of that very strong community. And contrary to some of the companies out there, open source is not a religion for us. It's amazing, but we do recognize the space for commercial products as well. I think it's a thing that needs to balance itself out depending on the particular situation. And last thing, there's the Linux cup. And last thing, we do like our Mac computers. We're a bit vain in that. So what do we distribute? We distribute Sangoma products and quickly portfolio, right? Sangoma cards for Asterisk, but you should also know that they work very, very well with FreeSWITCH, and with the addition of this software called NetBorder Express, which is free up until 12 simultaneous calls. You can use Sangoma cards with any SIP compatible software product, whether it's based on Windows or on Linux. So for example, you can use Sangoma cards with Microsoft Link, or you can use it with 3CX. Slightly overlooked part of the portfolio, the transcoding cards, and they can transcode from 40 to up to 2,000 G729 calls, for example. So these are pretty heavy-duty cards that make sure that your server is not can do a lot more. in other things, and it also makes sure that all the codecs you use are legal, which is not always the case, as we all know. Right, sorry, it's like wrong order. Important addition, Sangoma has released a new version of their SS7 software. Now it's called NetBorder SS7. I think it's important because it's a FreeSWITCH based product. It's very competitive price-wise. It's now it comes on an ISO with GUI that is, you know, you need to know something about SS7, but it's definitely a lot easier than it used to be. And we do run NetBorder SS7 certification trainings in Warsaw. So if you want to get into that product, we can get you started. Right, moving swiftly on. We're a big partner of Patton Electronics, especially for Poland, Baltic states, and Russia a little bit. And I mean, clearly, gateways that have dominated the market for many years, and we know them extremely well. So if you're planning any projects with gateways, Patton has the broadest portfolio, and we are very knowledgeable. We have some engineers that are truly amazing with this product. They can do lots of things that you wouldn't think that Patton can do. TelcoBridges, right. This is a different it's VoIP gateways as well, but it's a slightly different segment. It's basically core equipment, i.e. you can set up a system which has 16 STM1s in a cluster, transcode 2,000 channels per gateway, have an amazing API scripts that can do all sorts of things I don't understand. So important thing to know, it's very competitive versus price-wise versus things like Cisco or audio codes, and it's extremely flexible. It's very energy efficient, and we do combine it in installation with FreeSWITCH. It works very well and gives you even more flexibility. So if you're looking for a kind of core telco solution, a media gateway, this is definitely a product to take a look at. 3CX, I mean, it's difficult to show it graphically since it's software, but I show a server. We use often HP mini server for this. It's clearly it's an amazing product. It's something that is good for people that do not know that much about VoIP, or are moving from legacy PBXs, or simply looking for an affordable unified communication system. We're big fans of 3CX. We think it's just a great product. And what we do love about it, it's not only simple to install, simple to maintain, even for the customer. Important thing is that the licensing model is extremely simple. It's only licensed on the basis of how many simultaneous calls you use in the system, and also there is a free version. I'm not sure to how many calls, but there is, and it's worthwhile checking it out, and would love to work with you on that. And then we sell phones, so you have one place to buy kind of everything you need for the installation, and we do sell Yealink, we do sell Grandstream, and we do sell Polycom. So I think we cover kind of the good products, not the cheapest product, but the good products from medium range to high range. I'm not going to define which phones are which. Right, we do other stuff. We run Wikibo.com, where we write articles and try to transfer the knowledge that we get here to integrators around the globe. Big words. We provide support to our customers, and it's either free or success-based or SLA-based for products that we sell and open source projects. So go on our website to check out different ways we can support you. We provide trainings for Patton, also certification trainings, 3CX, FreeSWITCH, and now NetBorder SS7 as well from Sangoma. We provide installation services and SLA for our SS7 products just to get you started. And we do write blogs. I mean, each product manager writes a blog so you can stay in touch effortlessly with what's going on at the manufacturer. And we have fun, right? This is a trip some of our employees made in an old communist car from Poland to Loch Ness. It happens every year. It's a really cool project. So why you should work with us? I think because we have a very carefully selected range of quality products that will help you grow your business. I mean, whenever we choose a product to distribute, we first use it in our installations. We really test it, we learn it. It's not like any supplier can call us up and we're going to distribute their product. We also remember that margin is important to any integrator, so our prices are probably the best you can get. And you get more in terms of the service, for sure. Because it's better to buy from people who know their stuff. And we don't always say, yes, of course it does it, right? In this industry, this is what you hear all the time, and then it turns out it doesn't do that. We do say, maybe it's not a good idea. And since we know our stuff, if you run into technical trouble, we're not always going to support you for free. You should find out the rules about that. But we are going to support you at a reasonable price, so you're not going to be completely screwed in your project. And we also know that personal contact, fast shipments, fast RMA is what makes a good distributor as well, and we do that. So the people to get in touch are, if you want to talk to me, you see my address. You have Paweł, who's the Sangoma product manager. We have Michał, who's a Patton product manager, and he also manages our support and training. We have Marcin, who's a 3CX product manager, and Michał, a really amazing engineer who will advise you on the TelcoBridges side. And he's a TelcoBridges product manager, but really he's a telco solution architect, so he can give you an overview. Right. Thank you very much. This is all I had to say about the company. There's a lot more. And I hope you get in touch with us to find out more. Thank you.